Hello and welcome in our course How to be Google Ads Expert. In this course we are talking about Google Analytics skill, how to make analytics to your website and your keywords and the competitors you know and you don't know. Number two, be familiar with all the features of Google Ads account. You will learn in this course the features of your account in Google Ads. Number three, strong command on copywriting to add relevancy in your ad. How to be good or strong command on copywriting your ad. Number four, strong in audience analysis and families with creating remarketing campaigns. Remarketing campaigns is the most important point in our course, how to remarket the audience. Number five, understanding the niche and having strong command on keyword and competition. Having strong command on keyword. Keyword is the best point in your ad campaigns, and know the competitors. The competitors they use these keywords. Number six, display video and search ads step by step. You will learn how to make a campaign in display and video and search ads step by step. Number seven, strong command on existing campaign. How to manage your existing campaign. Number eight, understand of landing page. How to make your landing page to make your campaign doing well. Number nine, how to be familiar with tools, heatmap tools, analytics tools, keyword research tools. Number 10 and the last one is report. How to make a report. This is all about our course. Wish you the best.